I think I should put on a jacket since the coronavirus is going around.
I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you.
Oh, will you stop playing with her?
Yeah. So today's vlog is going to be a get ready with me, well, mini get ready with me, and I'm taking you guys to my auntie's birthday party dinner, and yeah, we're gonna have so much fun. Hey guys, so I am running late. Well, me and mom are running late for my auntie's birthday party. Well, it's actually a dinner party. Well, I like how my eyebrows looking. Okay, so so today has been very chill. It was very productive. All I did today was edit 2 vlogs. One was uploaded today, and the other one's gonna be up on Sunday. I'm so proud of myself. So other than doing the videos, I've just been overthinking this coronavirus and being paranoid. I've been watching this show on Netflix, so blame Netflix, and this show has got me, like, you know, really panicking. And plus, me and mom are going on our vacation soon too. So I'm gonna tag the name of it. I don't remember the name of this show. I think it's called, is it Containment? It is, yeah. Okay, it's Containment on Netflix. I'm gonna put the right name and everything on there. But on the show, it's not the coronavirus that everyone has, but it's similar to it, and it freaked me out. And like everybody on the show says 4 to 6 feet when they see somebody.
4 to 6 feet.
So yeah, it's kind of like. But yeah, this coronavirus is going, like, literally everybody's getting it. It's Tom Hanks and his wife got it from when it was in Australia. Basketball players has it. Everything's been canceled. People are leaving school. It's crazy. This is getting real out here.
It's not a death sentence.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah. But it's a lot of older people that get it. That's fatal.
Right.
I think, yeah. I'm just trying to be precautious, you know. Yeah. And so I did order me and mom some masks on Amazon. We're going to Vegas next month, and
I am not wearing that suit.
The hazmat suit. I saw this hazmat suit too on Amazon. I screenshotted it to her.
Put it in the description box.
I'm gonna show you the one I saw. Yeah, it was only $13 too. Yeah. Okay, it's 5:39. Okay. We need to leave the house by 6 o'clock.
We're supposed to leave at 5:30.
Yeah, so that didn't happen.
No, I think she knows us.
She should know. Yeah, she does know.
So I'm thinking she gave us the wrong time.
Did she text you back? What'd she say?
Not yet. She haven't even read my stuff yet.
Oh, she's probably getting dressed.
Yeah. And
she's going all out. She ordered a limo. But she has a limo company, so it sounds like a lot, but it's her company. It's her company. So
we're gonna take you guys with us.
Of course you guys are coming. But I'm really proud of myself. I've been doing so good with these uploading videos often. Every week I've been posting something, some kind of content. And somebody did send me a message and said that I should have more subscribers than I do, and I agree with them. I don't know. I don't know what I'm not doing. I don't know. I'm just being patient.
But the ones you have is loyal.
Yes. My little team is growing. My little family, we're growing. And I ran out of foundation.
Still?
We have to go. We're going to go to MAC. Yeah. So. Okay, I'm about to hurry up and finish this makeup, and then I'm going to come talk to you guys when I'm finished. So I'm going to take you guys with us to my auntie's dinner party, and I'm going to show you guys my outfit there. So yeah. Oh, have you guys subscribed to my channel yet? My channel is all about entrepreneur life, beauty, vlogs, fitness, and all that. So I upload weekly, so you will always be entertained. So, oh my god, it is 5:55. So I need my purse. Okay, I need to throw on some shoes, my purse, and then we need to go before my aunt gets really upset. So we finally made it. Let me put my shoes on. Yeah, you should go.
Yeah.
I am. Oh, yeah. It's so good. Oh, the dog. I know. It's cold. Watch your head. Got me rushing. But oh, I do want to say about the coronavirus. I was making jokes, making light of the situation, but I was just playing, guys. I know this is serious, but you can't live in fear. You know what I mean? So I was like, just live our best life and then take precaution. Wash your hands often.
Please take vitamins.
Take vitamins.
Build your immune system.
And don't touch people. That's it. Just don't, just don't live in fear. All right, we gotta go.
See you guys on the bus.
Yeah, we see you there. Ooh, she.
Don't wait ever down. Don't be starving up. Don't wait ever down. Don't be starving up. Don't let me. Don't wait ever down. Do let you pain you down. Don't be starving up. Don't wait ever down. Do let you pain you down. Don't be starving up.
I don't think it's no vodka. I think everybody should get a couple of shots. Ashley, you want to get one? Oh, will you stop playing with her?
Any more White Clef over there? Can you guys check and see if there's some more White Clef?
White Clef. We need White Clef.
She already got on the White Clef. Get what you want. It's your life.
Is that margarita mix?
What? It's already mixed. It's
Oh,
already mixed.
Lord.
It'll take me a half a gallon, but it's already mixed.
Y'all gonna get turned up.
I'm drinking vodka. I'm gonna give you a couple of shots and drink champagne while I'm out there. Where's the stuff? What's the stuff that you make it? Oh, Grand Marnier.
Grand Marnier. It should be in the back.
They got shots of Grand Marnier too, Robert. Yeah.
Ashley, you need some money?
No, it's Bridget's birthday wherever Bridget
Rich is on the truck, on the van.
Did you want to? Come on.
Here, Peanut.
We got a whole bunch going on. Oh, sorry. What's the second thing? I'm sorry.
Be like the people in this.
No, what is one thing?
Hold the phone.
Oh.
Wait.
And look, and I'm holding this one.
I should get for you. That's what she buying.
I didn't bring my wipes or my.
I hope you feel the same way too. Girl, I do.